Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of home health, air purification. And specifically, we'll be looking at the best replacement filter for Airtok air purifiers. Introducing the Reinlichkeit AP0601 replacement filters. Designed to enhance the performance of your Airtok air purifier, these filters are making waves in the market for all the right reasons. Let's dive into what makes them stand out. First off, compatibility. These replacement filters are tailor-made for Airtok machines, ensuring a seamless fit and optimal performance. Plus, with a 4-pack included, you'll be stocked up for months to come. But what really sets these filters apart is their advanced 4-layer filtration system. From a nylon pre-filter that traps hair and pet fur to a high-efficiency activated carbon filter that tackles odors, these filters leave no particle unchecked. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools. And with true HEPA technology, these filters boast superior filtration capabilities, ensuring cleaner, fresher air in your home or office. Whether it's dust, pet dander, or lingering odors, these filters have you covered. Say goodbye to indoor pollutants and hello to a healthier living environment. And the best part? These filters come at a price that won't break the bank. So, you can breathe easy knowing you're getting top-notch quality without breaking the budget. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best replacement filter for your Airtok air purifier, look no further than the Reinlichkeit AP0601 replacement filters. With their wide compatibility, advanced filtration system, and unbeatable value, they're truly a game-changer in the world of air purification. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful reviews on the products you love. Until next time, stay informed and stay savvy.